Um, for the baby bird, how we think it was injured. Well, these birds like to build nests in the old high school apartment outside the building, and uh, from what we were told, that the bird landed on someone's garbage bin outside. Um, I'm not gonna name names. If they want to mention their names, they can put it in the comments or whatever. Um, but basically, I was guessing it probably fell from the top ceiling outside of the top floor. I'm guessing, but they said that it landed on their garbage bin and somehow got to the ground. Actually, I think she put it there, something like that. Fell down. um, I've been checking up on the bird a couple times, but like I said in my last video, if anyone has any ideas on what they think that to help it or whatever, and no, I'm not throwing it away when it's this injured. So if anyone's thinking to get rid of the bird while it's injured, you can forget that. I want to help this bird. And I'm hoping somebody else wants to help me help this bird as well. At least I hope.